Is business becoming more difficult than ever before? Are you finding it harder to make a good profit? Is it tough to find and market to your customers, let alone find new ones? In 2011, Australians spent over $25 billion online. That's 30% of all retail sales. Over 34,000 people search on Google every second. 2 million people every minute, over 88 billion searches every month. And in 2012, those numbers will now increase. These people are looking to find you. 97% of all customers now use the internet to research products and services in their local area. Online marketing isn't an option anymore. And remember, while you're busy working in your business, your competitors are getting help to connect to your customers. Are you sick of wasting money on overpriced Yellow Pages ads that no one uses anymore? Are you tired of getting ripped off by expensive radio spots whose effects can't be measured? Frustrated with print ads in newspaper and magazines that no one even sees? Are you confused about how social media works and how it matters in your business? Are you overwhelmed by the ever-expanding internet landscape and the real difference it can make in your business profits? Hi, my name is Robert Thurston, an online marketing and business coach dedicated to your success. Let me ask you this simple question that holds the secret to success of your business future. Do you have a website or do you have an online business? Every day I assist business owners just like you to transform their businesses and achieve extraordinary results. What if there was a way to create an endless stream of targeted and qualified leads and customers to your business even while you sleep? 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, for a fraction of what you now spend on your old school media advertising. What if you could create the ideal message that positions you and your business as the only choice for your customers and turns them into raving fans? What if you could dominate your market and boost your profits without having to become an internet expert? Would that interest you? What if you could achieve all these results with measurable, cost-effective marketing strategies? If you want to attract more leads and customers for less, if you wish to create more new repeat business with your existing customers and make more money, then the special report I have written, Website Rescue: How to Increase Leads, Customers, Sales and Profits Through Internet Marketing, may be the most important information you have ever read, because it cracks the code for how your business can finally leverage the power of the internet to complement your existing business. So, fill in your name and email information next to this video and gain instant access to this powerful business transforming report. You'll be so glad you did.